had met a lot of musicians and people who were coming and going in the studio who are typically filmy. You know, that filminess, that vibe is there. Like, वो industry से belong करते हैं. The whole vibe is there. So I'm meeting this person called Shantanu Moitra who had absolutely no air of belonging to this place at all. He comes from this very real person. I was like कि ये तो कुछ like
ये तो टिकेगा नहीं. इसका विकेट तोड़ने वाला.
No. It definitely was a welcome change for me because I also belong to a rather very unfilmy, non-film kind of atmosphere. So that's why I think we clicked the very moment we met. We felt some amazing comfort from the first time I met, and we heard that scratch which you played to me, and later I had to come and dub. So I'm going to sing that. And I had no idea that song was written by Gulzar sir. I was so freaked out the moment I knew about it, and I was so thrilled. One of the finest songs that you have made, I have sung. It's one of the most treasured songs by us, for sure,
yes,
and by the fans also.
Yeah.
And, क्या बात है, गिटार लेके बैठे हो, वाह वाह.
और क्या काम है मेरा?
पूछे जो कोई मेरी निशानी, रंग ही ना लिखना, गोरे बदन पे उंगली से मेरा नाम अदा लिखना. कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है, कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है. आओ ना जहलम में बैठेंगे, वादी के मौसम की एक दिन तो बदलेंगे. कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है, कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है. आपका वाला लाइन
तू ही गा. रकसा यादी जीवे, रखवाला जीवे, दरा 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 रीरा, दरा 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 रीरा.
जब तुम हंसते हो दिन हो जाता है, तुम गले लगो तो
वाह वाह वाह.
दिन सो जाता है.
क्या लिखा है, क्या लिखा है?
क्या बात. डोली उठाए आएगा दिन तो पास बिठा लेना, कल जो मिले तो माथे पे मेरे सूरज देना.
वाह वाह वाह.
जरा जरा आस पास धूप रहेगी, जरा जरा आस पास रंग रहेगी.
क्या बात है, it's
One
so
of my-
wonderful.
It's, and the moment I start singing this or even listen to it, I feel so nostalgic. I get totally, exported back to that time. It's one of the most wonderful memories. And because, when you're starting off, everything that you're doing, everything you remember. I mean, I remember every moment of that particular phase.
Correct.
Every recording, every thing that we did in the studios, what we spoke of. Abhina, in the middle, everything has become a blur. I don't remember most of the things what I've done in life. But those...
Beautifully said. Beautifully said.
It's
Because
vivid.
तब ये एक्चुअली सपना था कि स्टूडियो में जाके ऐसा कुछ काम करेंगे. And actually, the honest is Shreya, is उस समय the only idea was to create a beautiful song. क्या होगा उसका, all those things we were too, we were not exposed so much. What is a hit? What is a flop? उतना नहीं पता था कि एक गाना करने को मिल रहा है. Let's do it nicely. इतना ही बड़ा बेसिक था. It's like लॉकडाउन में अभी वेज कुकिंग जैसे हो रहा है.
क्या बात है, क्या analogy है, वाह वाह वाह. But to be honest, I think we were very nervous, and the fact that we got a chance and we have to prove also in a way कि पता नहीं कैसे करना है, but करना है, कुछ अच्छा करना है. What is the outcome of it? Nobody knows. Like, to be honest, when I was singing in Devdas, मुझे कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, कितने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा हूँ. मुझे तो कुछ उसका इतना ज्यादा एहसास ही नहीं था. Like, when it released, then I started realizing, oh my God, it's a big world I've entered into, and the whole paraphernalia of it. So I think with you, Yaha was the same experience, because till before that you were doing everything from Delhi, if I am not wrong.
True, absolutely.
All the hits that you had, with Shubha.
I had just done 2 albums.
Indie pop.
Also, anyway. But the thing is कि मुझे लगता है कि I have always had the desire to do that one song and run away. and you have always said that just hold on for one more film. Hold on for one more film.
Yeah.
And that process is still on.
Yes.
I must go on. I must go on to Parinita, for example. And I remember कि I don't know. I won't take names, but I was trying a few voices, and it was. And you know how a film is. There is a director, there's a producer, there's so many people. Everybody's got an opinion. And I was just a bacha. I was just starting on. So, मेरा opinion तो comes last. So, but I was not happy where the song was going, what was happening. So, एक बड़ा unrestlessness हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था. And I still remember that. I think you were flying out that night to abroad. You and your mom had come in the studio. You had come to do another song. And I said, Shreya, can you please try out this song? And I had struggled with that song for the audience to know for around 12 hours before that. सुबह से लगा हुआ हूँ मैं, and I'm not getting what I want. And she said, okay, let me just see. She just taken the song. तभी not कि पहले कुछ rehearsal हुआ, कुछ नहीं. She just said, an idea was not to do a final recording. कि ऐसे ही जाके कर लो, because, and guys, you're watching this. When she went on that microphone and she first sang that, I was like, I collapsed. I remember Bishwadeep looked at me and said, are you okay, Shantanu? Because I had got what I wanted. I could hear it. And I was like, thank God. And it is such an amazing moment in my life where I realized the power of a singer who I was just talking to this before you had come, that how they can take a composition beyond and both you and Sonu, of course, I must mention Sonu's name, that both of you were so amazing. And Parinita was the way Vidya, we were all new. Me, Swanand, who wrote, Vidya Balan is there and you there. But Parinita I will look back at as that one film where we did something which was so close to Magical, absolutely.
But my side of the story is like I've entered this room of all amazing kind of people. Like here, Pradeep Da is sitting and sketching on his sketchboard. Every shot, like how every shot of that song is going to look. He's sketching on a sketchboard literally with a pencil. And Vidu, how he is. He's amazing. Vidu,
I think that was his first 100